ASP.NET Validation Control validates the user input data, such as data type, data format, and data contradictory. Some of the popular ASP.NET validators are record field validator, compare validator, range validator, regular expression validator, validation summary, custom validator. Record field validator used to make input mandatory. It will throw an error if user leave the input control empty. Error message can be set for client's understanding. Compare validator used to compare value and input control to another input control. Range validator used to evaluate the control value lies between specified range. The regular expression validator is used to validate the value of an input control based on the pattern defined by a regular expression. It allows to validate the sequence of characters like email, phone number, etc. Validation summary control is the reporting control used to display the list of all validation error messages in the ASP.NET web form. Custom validator is used to validate in an input control where all the validators fail to fulfill your need.